Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M22 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Samsung. Firstly, go into calendar. Now pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you can customize your event however you want to. For example, you can add a title, change color, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by clicking on the switcher next to all day. You can also choose location, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, go back, choose people from your contact book and even take notes. When you're done, click Save at the bottom right corner and as you can see my event was successfully created. You can always delete it though by tapping on it, clicking on Event over here and tapping on Delete icon at the bottom right corner. Finally, simply click Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!